just 48 hours, the weather will completely turn upside down. Sunshine, rain, and thunderstorms could all happen in the same day. Wow, quite incredible. Are you ready? Hello everyone. Very happy to see you again in today's detailed weather update. And I have to say right from the start, wow, quite incredible. Not in an immediately dangerous extreme weather way, but rather a weather picture that is clearly shifting with a strong contrast between sunshine, rain, and humid air. Get ready, because changes are coming very quickly. But before we move into that mixed phase, today for many areas will still be a very beautiful and enjoyable day. And not because of widespread dangerous extreme weather, but because the atmospheric picture is becoming extremely messy and unpredictable. Everything can change very quickly, and that is the main story of this weekend. Before we begin, please support us by liking and subscribing to the Mr. Tien channel to get the latest weather updates. Today, the best day, and possibly the warmest of the week. First, the good news. Much of the eastern areas will have a fairly ideal day. Ding! Plenty of sunshine in the east, lots of sunshine stretching from the southeast, Midlands, to the northeast and eastern Scotland. Temperatures in these areas will rise quite quickly during the day, and this is very likely the warmest day of the week. In the London to Cambridge area, temperatures could reach 25 to 26 degrees Celsius, quite an impressive level. Not only warmer, but it will also feel much more pleasant compared to previous days. The wind has changed direction, no longer bringing the chill from the North Sea, so eastern coastal areas will feel noticeably warmer than yesterday. But the west tells a completely different story. From early morning, clouds have already started spilling into western areas, and that signals a far from quiet day. In Northern Ireland, heavy showers have already developed, and they will continue moving northward along the western side of Scotland. Wales is no exception. A few scattered showers, and a high chance they will become heavier during the afternoon. By the afternoon, as temperatures rise, the atmosphere becomes more unstable. Wow, quite incredible. These showers could develop into downpours, intense rain in a short period of time. Central and southern areas beginning to trigger showers. In the Midlands and parts of southern England, it may start off fairly fine, but by the afternoon, the chance of showers will increase significantly, especially in the Midlands, where heavier showers could develop later in the day. Wind shift, completely changing the feel of the weather. Throughout the past week, strong southerly winds have dominated many areas, but today a change is underway. Wind shifting, bringing warmer air into the east. At the same time, drawing cloud and moisture into the west. This creates a very clear contrast. East, warm, bright, pleasant. West, cloudier, showery, damp. Tonight, showers continue, then gradually ease. As we move into the evening, some areas such as northern England, southern Scotland may still see some showers or light thunderstorms. However, the rain system will gradually move away overnight. In northwest Scotland, there may be some light rain, but most other areas will become drier. Winds easing, possibly some mist forming early in the morning. And importantly, it won't turn cold overnight, due to the warm and humid air still in place. Weekend, a truly mixed picture. Get ready, because this weekend will not be simple. Saturday, eastern and central areas, starting fairly dry, even with some sunshine. But from the west, rain will begin spreading into Scotland and Northern Ireland, and most notably, Wales and southwest England may see heavy thunderstorms. By late afternoon and evening, these storms could spread further south. Wow, quite incredible. Because this won't just be light rain, it could include local heavy rain, gusty winds, even thunder and lightning. Weekend temperatures, still warm but starting to change. East, still above 20 degrees Celsius, but not as hot as today. West, cooler due to cloud and rain. Overall, the air will feel humid, slightly muggy, and somewhat heavy before showers develop. Saturday night, Sunday, rain becoming more widespread. Showers will become more frequent, more widespread. This is due to a low-pressure system sitting directly over the region. This is the engine driving the unsettled weather. Showers, thunderstorms, thick cloud. Sunday, still unsettled. During Sunday, showers continue. There may be some dry intervals, but overall it will still be a fairly messy weather day. Early next week, turning drier but cooler. By Monday, much of England and Wales will become drier. Sunshine may return. But a cooler air mass will move in. This means temperatures will drop slightly. It will feel more comfortable, less humid. The atmospheric picture is becoming extremely messy and unpredictable. Get ready, because this is exactly the kind of weather where you can't just look out the window in the morning and decide your whole day. Everything can change very quickly, and that is the main story of this weekend. Changes for the long weekend. Big changes are underway. That's right, it's a long holiday, bank holiday, and the weather is definitely changing. But the key point to emphasize is, it does not mean it's going to rain all weekend. Instead, we are moving from a situation of stable, little change, fairly uniform across large areas, to a completely different state. Constant changes, clear regional contrasts. The overall picture, a truly messy setup. If you look at the pressure chart, you'll immediately notice this. A large area of high pressure sitting to the east, another area of high pressure to the west, and right in between is the area affecting us. Wow, quite incredible, because this is exactly where instability is being generated. Warm air flowing up from the south, rising temperatures triggering convection, and the result, showers plus thunderstorms developing strongly. And this trend will continue through the weekend. Saturday starts off quite nice, but don't be fooled. Get ready, because Saturday will be a deceptive day. Morning, many places start dry, some sunshine possible, but across Scotland and Northern Ireland, showers will begin drifting south. At the same time, across Wales and southwest England, the air remains warm and humid. This is the perfect setup for heavy showers. Saturday afternoon and evening, increasing storm risk. As the day goes on, some southern areas could see heavy rain and thunderstorms. However, there is still uncertainty about the exact positioning of these showers. They could shift further north or further south. This is very important. Not everywhere will see rain. You could experience a torrential downpour in one place, while just a few miles away it remains completely dry. Wow, quite incredible. This is the kind of weather where hit it and you're soaked, miss it and it's sunny. Eastern areas, still the bright spot. While many areas turn unsettled, much of eastern England may stay dry. Have some sunshine. Temperatures not as warm as Friday, but still around 20 degrees Celsius. Overall temperature picture for Saturday, east warm, pleasant. West cooler due to cloud and rain. Across England and Wales still feeling humid and slightly muggy. Scotland and Northern Ireland noticeably cooler. In far northern areas like Shetland, temperatures may be around 10 degrees Celsius, but still with some sunny spells. Sunday, the mess continues. And yes, wow, quite incredible. It's not over yet. By Sunday, a low-pressure system sits almost directly over England, continuing to bring showers, heavy rain, even thunderstorms. Central areas, risk of being soaked all day. There is a central zone that could see prolonged rainfall with winds coming in from the North Sea, creating a feeling of cool, damp, uncomfortable. Southern areas, showers and storms, but not constant. In the south, heavy showers still possible, thunderstorms possible, but not raining all day. There will be dry intervals, sunny breaks. Scotland and Northern Ireland, surprisingly better. A few showers possible, but many areas, especially northern Scotland, could see some decent sunshine. However, the air will feel noticeably cooler. Sunday temperatures dropping significantly. Northeast England, much cooler than Saturday. Southern areas with some sunshine could still reach close to 20 degrees Celsius. But overall, the trend is cooler. Monday bank holiday, the best day. Here's the good news. Monday could be the driest of the 3 days. Less rain, lower chance of thunderstorms. However, not completely dry. Still a few showers possible. Scotland and Northern Ireland may see some light rain drifting south, but many places will have sunny spells, more pleasant conditions. Cooler air begins to move in. A key factor, winds turning from the north, bringing cooler air southwards. Result, Scotland, especially the north, quite cold. Other areas, temperatures dropping slightly. Early week temperature outlook. Southern areas could reach the high teens as well as 17 to 19 degrees Celsius. Other regions, around or below average. Weekend summary. Changes for the long weekend are very clear. Not raining all day, but constantly changing conditions. Showers and thunderstorms scattered around. Temperatures gradually falling. And most importantly, wow! Quite incredible. Because of the highly localized nature. One place sees heavy rain, another place stays sunny. Important advice. Get ready and keep up to date with the latest forecast. Because this weekend, timing of rain is just as important as location. A difference of a few hours can completely change your experience. Thank you for watching the update. Wishing you a wonderful long weekend. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Tien channel so you don't miss the most important weather updates. And don't forget, choose the right timing and you'll still enjoy plenty of beautiful weather.